Laruce brushes.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're
Guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started and feature a product. We're gonna see if we can feature something from this boxy charm. So as always, I'm just gonna reach in. And the first thing I see is Mud Masky Root Feeding Hair Mask Free. I get a little sketchy when it when it comes to hair products because you know I have gray hair. Gray hair is very drying and very unpredictable. You never know what it's gonna do. At least my gray hair. So I would definitely have to read up on that product before I put it in my hair. All right, and the next item I have Beauty for Certain, BFC. BFC. Let's see what this is. Maybe like a lip conditioner or something like that. I love like lip oils. Oh, it's a beautiful nude lip. I haven't worn a lipstick. I can't even remember because I'm all about the matte lip. Next item I have is Persona Brow Gel. Yes. I do love me some brow gel. And it looks like an ash brown color. Any shade that can, for me, make my brows lighter, I'm okay with that. I've used gray, red, not like, well, I'm trying to think, like Strut from MAC. I've used that. That's actually what I'm currently using. It is fine for me. I love the nude packaging. It's called Swipe Up. How cute. Swipe Up. Let's see. I might feature this. Oh, it looks dark. Okay, so here's the color, which still looks pretty dark. I will try it though. Let's continue to see what's inside. Oh, what's this? Laruce. Ooh, what is this? This? I don't know what this is, but it is beautiful. I'm gonna guess, I think it's some brushes inside, but let's see. Oh, how do you get in this thing? I can't open it. I'm gonna have to pull. I figured it out. You gotta pull it. I love this. This is definitely gonna be my travel brush container. Look at these brushes. They are beautiful. You know what? I'm gonna feature these. So let me put these back. I'm gonna continue to see what's inside this box and then we'll go from there. All right, feels like it's just one more item and it is OPV Beauty Glow Perfect Face Palette. Ooh, this is beautiful. That is gorgeous. That's like very mirror-like. You can see my camera. Ooh, those are gorgeous colors. I don't really so much use like a powder contour color, but I will use this for eyeshadow. That's really pretty. And I've never seen like an orange highlighter. All right, that's it for their box. So next clip, I'm going to make a decision on what to feature. All right, guys, I'm back and we're going to go with the brushes. So new brushes, you guys, let's talk. Do you guys shampoo your brushes or not before you use them? Let me know. Drop it down below. I cleaned them, but I didn't shampoo them. So I forgot the name of this stuff, but it's a brush cleaner. Works really great. Well, let me grab one of my dirty brushes so I can show you guys because this stuff is amazing. All right, so here's my dirty brush. I don't want to spray this everywhere, so I'm going to spray it in front of my towel here. And this is just with me spraying it. I haven't like wiped it off or anything. See how it's like gone? This stuff just melts makeup. And then you just clean it on your towel. I'll try to leave a link to this stuff down below. I can't think of the name of it right now, but it smells really citrusy and smells really good. And you just brush the product out, and it dries really quick. Like, this brush is clean and it's dry with a matter of seconds. Look at that. Awesome, right? All right, so that's what I did to the brushes, so they are clean. So we have 5 brushes here. Let me look. It's called Laruce Beauty Christine Set. The Christine Set includes a dual fiber cheek brush, a small angle cheek brush, a small concealer brush, a small flat shader brush, a medium domed blending brush, and a graphite petite Rennie cup, whatever that means. So we have 5 brushes here. All right, so this card mentions 6 brushes. Only have 5. So we're gonna go with it. Now, I know you guys saw me pause when I started reading those brushes. I am a believer in you work your brushes and not your brushes work you. So whatever you want to use your brushes for, just do it. So I don't know which is which. I'm gonna name them here as I use them, and I'll tell you guys what I'm using for. So this one is the LR304 angle. This is my foundation brush today. Don't use a lot of foundation. Usually just like 1 pump. Okay. I'm just gonna blend that in. It is a really soft feeling brush, like not a lot of density to it, but that doesn't bother me. As long as it gets the job done. You guys know I just like to press products in, get more of a better coverage when you press in. And again, I do not put foundation under my eyes because I'm putting my concealer there. My concealer has great coverage. This would be great though for contour, so I will be using this for contour as well. Really soft, very like airbrush feeling brush. Like, it's very soft. I didn't get any shedding either. All right, next is my concealer. Concealer, we're gonna use the LR100 concealer. My concealer, guys, I do like to sit. I like for it to sit on my skin just to warm up really good. That way it can just blend out. So I'm going to do my brows and I will be back. All right, brows are done. Highlight is done. So I'm going in to contour. This is the perfect brush to contour with. Like, it just fit. You work your brushes. Don't let them tell you what they're for. All right, we're going to do blush now, or, you know, what I'm using for blush. I think I'll blend these two together to make a blush. And I'm going to use the LR316 dual fiber brush. So I'm going to go into that orangey color first, and then the other one. Getting a little kickback, probably because of the brush. Ooh, it's really orange. It's pretty though. I'm going to try this middle guy. Okay, so now we're going to use the last 2 brushes that are left. So the first one I'm going to use is LR120 tapered blending brush. We're just going with my everyday look where I'm just putting just a crease color in. I'm tempted to go down here like you guys see me do a lot. But I'm going to use the lash brush under there. Get some of that on my lid. All of these brushes are really, really soft. So I would definitely say they are, I mean, you could use the concealer brush like for like packing on eyeshadow. You could do that. But I would definitely say these brushes are definitely for like light washes of color. They're not going to deposit a lot. And that's why it's important to really get to know your brushes. Get to know your tools. Get to know what they can do, what they can't do. That way you can create your best look you're going for. These are perfect for my everyday look because my everyday look is just really washes of color. I want just a little contrast of color in my crease, so I'm gonna go here. So even though this is like a really soft fluffy brush, you can really go in exactly where you want to. You control the brush. You tell the brush what to do. I'm gonna put a little bit just at the outer corner. And that's enough for today. The last brush is LR110, which is the shadow brush. This one is a little bit more dense, so you could use this one for packing on color. I'm gonna go back in with that tapered blending brush. I want the outer corner just a little bit darker. Just a little bit. A little bit of plum there. Just a little bit. All right, so all the brushes have been used. Let me finish. All right, guys, so I am back. Everything is done. Here are my brushes. I do like these brushes. They're really nice. Again, besides the shadow brush, they're all really light and fluffy, easy to use, no shedding, and the case is just adorable. You can fit so many more in here. This is great for travel, or if you're someone that, you know, carries brushes in your purse. This is definitely a cute little set. The set is $50. I usually do not like brush sets just because there's always something in there that you can't use. But I was able to use all of these. They're really nice. Concealer brush is nice. Once this brush is, you know, sometimes you have to train your brush. Once this brush is trained and just really flat, this would be great. And you can see I did the one side. If I had packed something on the other side, that would have just made it even more thinner. But this would be great for cut creases and also cleaning up your brow. This set is really, really cute. Laruce brushes. If you guys are not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRHMAKEUP. And also my second handle on TikTok, which is _beauty over40. All right, guys. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys. Until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.